Every vessel must at all times maintain a proper lookout. But what does that really mean? In this video, we'll break down Rule 5 of the COLREGS, explore what the COLREGS says about watchkeeping, and show you what keeping a proper lookout truly involves. According to Rule 5 of the International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, every vessel must always maintain a proper lookout using sight, hearing, and all available means appropriate to the conditions. Now let's clear one common misconception. The term lookout doesn't just mean a person standing on the bow. It means the continuous collection of information, visual, audio, and electronic, to keep the vessel and crew safe. And who's responsible for that? Not just the seaman posted as lookout, it's the master, the officer of the watch, or the person in charge. They are the responsible person. So how do we keep a proper lookout? Not just with the eyes and ears, but with all available tools. That includes binoculars, radar, AIS, VHF radio, GPS and DGPS, sound signal receivers, navigation instruments, even vessel traffic services. In short, whatever tools you have on board, use them. The level of lookout depends on where you are and what's happening. In open ocean, it might be sole lookout, but you can never neglect the lookout. At anchor, still needed, especially with tides, currents, or nearby traffic. In fog or low visibility, you must increase your effort and use every aid available. At night, post your lookout away from bright lights and also rely more on radar and sound. But what affects your lookout? Your eyesight can be impacted by fatigue, rain, glare, or even transition from light to dark. Your hearing can be masked by engine noise, wind, or even your own ship's whistle. That's why good seamanship means being alert, rested, and equipped. On small vessels with a 360-degree view and no obstructions, the operator may handle steering and lookout together, but on larger vessels, that's not an option. A proper lookout often requires a dedicated team, especially in heavy traffic, poor weather, or at night. Ultimately, the job of the lookout is to ensure a full and accurate picture of the vessel's surroundings. If you don't have enough information to assess the situation, don't guess. Slow down or stop until you're sure. Doing more with less isn't clever seamanship. It's dangerous. To recap, a proper lookout means using sight, hearing, and all available means. Being alert in all conditions, at sea, at anchor, day or night. Following STCW and SMS watchkeeping standards, and making sure the vessel's master or OOW takes full responsibility, because in the end, collision avoidance starts with awareness. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Captain Sherry Classroom. For more maritime safety, navigation, and training videos, stay sharp, stay safe, and always maintain a proper lookout.